How to apply echo effect in WavePad? First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your file is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of available effects, find and click on Echo Effect. As soon as you click Echo, a new window will appear with various echo settings such as echo time, echo gain, and preset. You can adjust these values to get the exact echo sound you are looking for. Try different echo times and gain levels to match the effect you need for your voice or music. You can also explore the preset options to apply a quick echo style without manual adjustment. After making your changes, click Apply to add the echo effect to your audio. WavePad will process the changes and your file will now include the selected echo effect. Finally, save your edited audio by clicking on File and selecting Save As to keep the original version safe. And that's it. Now you know how to apply echo effect in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.